I know that.
I, Srimati Mehtab Chandi Agatop Sangma, have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Dr. Mehtab Chandi Agatop Sangma is now a full-fledged member of the 11th House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Congratulations once again. I'm going to give this.
It's a little overwhelming job, I think, because politics is something where it's very demanding. So I hope I'll be able to live up to the expectations of the people.
You have taken, you own Gambagre seat, and before this Saleng Sangma was there, who was very vocal in the assembly. So do you also plan to be very vocal in the assembly, and what is your plan in the assembly?
Well, you cannot expect the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saleng is. I think he's got a different personality, and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done.
What are the key issues are you planning to take up in the assembly? Key issues.
Key issues. I think the issues of the area, the issues of the constituency, of course, and that matters which are related to the public.
Ma'am, you have toured a lot in Gambagre and then won this election. What are the shortcomings that you have found, and how are you going to address those shortcomings in the constituency?
In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I have seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Garo Hills. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. So I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I think I will take up these issues first.
Has the people of Gambagre voted for development?
Of course. I think it was the main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what they have voted for.